Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen. I did these Disney inspired nails today. We live in Florida, so we are really big Disney fans. So I have a feeling I will probably be doing a lot of Disney sets here and there. So the first thing that I used was the purple white by Notpolish. It actually is a glow in the dark white. I didn't need it to glow in the dark, but it was a softer white and I thought that's what I wanted to go with because I kind of didn't have 100% plan. Just went in, and as you'll see, I actually changed two of the nails toward the end because I just didn't love how the two came out. So the purple white, I went in at the cuticle and decided to kind of ombre it up because then I will put a little bit of clear and place the Mickey heads into the faded out into the clear tip portion of the nail. I just play with them until I like how they're laying. So I have lived in Florida since I was 14. I moved here from New York. We did move away for a little bit while my husband was in the military too. But my son has pretty much grown up here. He's lived here since he was 2.5. And him and his wife are big Disney fans also. So we've been very blessed and have gotten to go to Disney many times over the years. So if you get a chance to go, it's amazing. Go. On the pointer finger, I went ahead and did a full nail of that purple white, because I am going to be doing some hand painting on it. On the ring finger and the middle finger, I'm going to use Notpolish's black. And for the ring finger, it will be the full finger. But on the middle finger, I decide to just go ahead and do it angled and just kind of give it one of those slants, do a little cutout with my craft knife. And it's a last minute decision, so you see me pretty much get the whole nail on there and then attempt to take it off. On the tip, I decide to just leave it clear and throw some more of those Mickey Mouse heads in there since they were so cute. Had I had it planned out exactly how I was going to do it, I probably would have went in at the cuticle first and then built it out and down and tried to do it real nice and neat with my brush. But seeing as I changed my mind mid-nail, I just went ahead, got the utility knife, made the cut very carefully, and then had to play and scrape it out without pulling the nail out. Once I got it all cleaned up, I'll go in with my hand file and just straighten up, sharpen up that line so that it looks real nice and crisp. After that, I go and use that purple white once again and just throw it in the tip so that I can go ahead and put the Mickey Mouse heads. And I did the same thing toward the black. I made it heavier with the white and then kind of like let it fade out into a clear tip also. Now I do have one Mickey head. I thought I had white over him, but he actually had a little piece of him missing, so I went ahead and took him out and got a new one and just threw that one in there. After I got everybody where I wanted them. I'm gonna go ahead and cap all the nails, but unfortunately I got a call and it knocked my phone off, so I did not get me capping all the nails. After I got done capping them, I went ahead and did the Matte It by Notpolish also on all of the nails. But then after I cured it the first time, what I did, where the clear nails were, I wanted that part kind of shiny. So everywhere that the clear nail was, I went ahead and went over it with their Gloss It. So the pinky will be totally Gloss It. And then the middle finger is half Gloss It, half matte it. On the black part is the matte it, and then where the Mickey heads are, I went ahead with the Gloss It so that they stand out real good. They didn't look that great when I matted over them. Kind of blurred them out too much, and I really kind of wanted those to stand out and be real prominent.
Tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza eso no se me olvida. Ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. Quiero ser el hombre de tu...
And this is just the second coat of the Matte It on the black nail and on the pointer finger with the white.
Tu belleza eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol. Me conoces súper bien.
For the black on the hand painting on the nails, I used Kiara Sky Black. And of course, here we go. I start here, and once again, I get a call and knocked off, of course. So the same design is on the pointer finger at the cuticle. I went ahead and just outlined the cuticle nice and neat. And then did some lines a little bit wavy coming down to look like the icicles. And then so I do some short, some longer, just so that they all look a little different. And then I will connect them all toward the top, if you can see that. Kind of make them rounded so that it softens out the look and makes it more look more drippy, or, you know, like it's hanging. So after I get the icicles how I want them, I'm going to go ahead in with that black glitter and just sprinkle it on the uncured gel polish. And then, because black is a little harder to cure, I went ahead and double cured it. I usually do a full 60 seconds, so I went ahead and just did 2 full minutes. And then I attempt to draw the Mickey head. Him and I were not friends. I did him 2 or 3 times on this particular nail. And then once I got my flow down, the other one went really well. But yeah, he was wanting to give me a hard time. In case I haven't mentioned it, the glitter, both black and white that I'm using, are just ones I got off of Amazon. After I get his ears in place, I go ahead and do the same exact thing with the glitter into the uncured gel polish, and then cure it for 2 full minutes.
Tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo.
So once it's cured and good to go, I go ahead with my brush and take off all the excess glitter before I move on to the white, which I'm using Madame Glam's Perfect White for that. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact thing on both of these fingers. I'm going to do the icicles at the cuticle and then the Mickey head on the ring finger. Es que sin ti no es lo mismo, amor. No escuchemos lo que digan los demás. Desde chiquitos sabíamos alguna vez se dar este sueño de estar en pie al lado de la que amo, la que más adoro, la que me ha impregnado su amor en mi piel. Tu amor, esas nubes grises se vuelven color. Yo con tanto frío tú me das calor. Listo para vivir contigo primavera. Por favor, toca mis quién eres la mejor. De esta hermosa saga soy el escritor. De vivir contigo estas primaveras. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol. Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos. Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol. Me conoces súper bien. Tú me viste y te subiste al tren. Todo vale contigo, hasta nuestros amigos se enamoran de la forma que nos ven. Enamorados somos dos. Mami, te lo digo, tú eres mi abrigo cuando va el sol. Con tu amor, esas nubes grises se vuelven color. Yo con tanto frío, tú me das calor. Listo para vivir contigo primaveras. Por favor, toca mis quién eres la mejor. De esta hermosa saga soy el escritor. De vivir contigo estas primaveras. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor. After I cure the glitter into the uncured gel polish, the set is done, and that pretty much concludes the video. I just want to say thank you to everybody for watching, and I hope everybody had an amazing Christmas and looking forward to the new year. Everybody be safe out there. Here's a shot of the final product, and I just want to thank you so much. If you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye.